Hi, this is William from Great Affordable Watches, and in this video I'm gonna do something very special. And as you probably saw, I'm gonna unbox the Tudor Black Bay 58, and I'm really excited about this, so let's get right into the unboxing. First impressions are extremely good. This watch looks really nice. I will not say that much about this watch right now. I will probably save it for the full review, but I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing to show the watch and to show how it looks. And as we can see, I think it looks really nice. The size is great. I have tried a original Black Bay with the 41mm case, and that watch was pretty thick, pretty big, but this watch is really slim, really great size, a lot thinner than the original Black Bay, or I should say the Black Bay, the original Black Bay with the in-house movement. And of course you will see a lot more content on this watch, and I will do a review of course in the upcoming weeks, and I will probably do some more videos if you guys want that. So leave your comment down below. Do you want to see more content of this watch, and what kind of content do you want to see except for a review? Now I'm just gonna enjoy this watch for a couple of weeks, and then I will do the review. So yeah, leave your comments down below and stay tuned for more videos of this watch. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.